Hello and welcome to our introduction video. In this short video, I'm going to try to demonstrate to you some of the many tools and features that are available for you once you get started working with InkMart. We're going to cover a few different items. We're going to cover the power of our Snap Order icon. We're going to cover how you can generate your own coupon and fundraising codes, and how we already have built into the software an affiliate program for you. Then we'll tour the administration section and show you some of the depth and resources that are available. So let's go ahead and get started. One of the first things I want to make sure you watch is this Ordering Made Simple video. It is only a minute long, but it'll clearly demonstrate to you how easy it becomes for your customers to order and reorder. I'll demonstrate this for you. On my desktop, we have what we call a Snap Order icon. This icon can be placed on the customer's desktop very easily, or you can email it to the customer. And when they select it, it'll open up a customized page that's made for their location. It'll also display your personal image and your contact information and any special notes that you have for your customer. The customer logs in, very simply can add the quantity of the items they'd like to purchase, add a shopping cart, and be done. It's really that simple. It's also that simple for you to order for the customer. So you could log into the administration section, select the same customer, add the quantity they want ordered, add a shopping cart, and check out for them. If the customer has multiple locations, they could simply come over here to the title and select a different location. So if they have a location across town or across the country, they could select a different location and display the items that they frequently order for that location. Again, then enter the quantity they want, add the shopping cart, and check out. When they check out, they can actually select then which location they'd like the items shipped to. In this particular case, it's a large business with many departments. So this really helps the procurement person. They can toggle in and around different departments or different levels or different sections of the business, whatever makes sense for the customer. Our software will allow us to create it to make it very easy for the customer to order. And we can even make special references to the equipment or items to make it easy for that person to select the proper item and add it to their shopping cart. The second very powerful tool we want to show you is how you can create your own personalized coupon codes and fundraising codes. So I'm going to pretend I'm a customer, and I'm going to add a couple items to my shopping cart and just get ready to check out. So if I was at Barnes & Noble and I was going to add a book to my shopping cart, I'm adding some items. I'm going to update the quantity, and now I'm ready to check out. Just like most major e-commerce sites, there's a box to apply some sort of discount or coupon, so you might get free shipping or some sort of special they're offering. What we've created for you is the ability for you to personalize your own coupon codes, assign the rules that you want to apply for your customers, and then even personalize it. So I'm going to apply a coupon code and show you what happens. Once I hit apply, a new line appeared. This would be your name. This would be the customized message that you could leave for the customer. And here's the discount that you applied. So in this case, we applied a 5% discount. We told the customer, here's your special discount, thanks for ordering. The same exact thing happens on fundraising, except instead of giving the customer the discount off the invoice, it's actually going to apply this amount to the fundraising group. Now that could be a church, it could be your school, it could be your daughter's dance recital company, it could be the Little League, whatever you choose. But by doing that, now all of a sudden you're generating new business. These other fundraising programs are promoting your business. And every time one of these new customers order, you not only get the credit for the sale, but they populate into your book of business. And this is very important to understand. So if you have the school or the church or some other organization promoting your special code so that there's a discount or fundraiser, not only are you getting credit for that sale, but all of those new purchases, all of those new clients are showing up in your book of business so you can follow up with them again. And every single time they reorder, you get the credit for that. The third very powerful feature is all about social marketing. Social marketing is, of course, the buzz today. Everybody talks about some way to go viral. But if you look at the model of Google or Yahoo, you'll understand that they use a program called affiliate links, where if you see a banner ad or you see some text that you like and you click on it, it'll drive you to another website. And as it drives you to that website, they're tracking those clicks. Well, we've developed that and integrated it into our system for you. So, from your own personal websites, social sites, blogs, emails, anything you put out on the web, you can create hyperlinks, banner ads, ad slicks, and drive customers to InkMart. And when you do, those visiting customers get attached to you. It's important again to understand. So if that customer buys, not only do you then get the credit for the sale, that customer again shows up in your book of business as a recurring customer. So every single time that customer orders, you get that sale also. So you again just got a new customer. So this allows you to social market like crazy. In the course of a year, you could have thousands of banner ads and coupons out there on the internet, driving traffic to your book of business. So let me demonstrate this for you. This is my blog. Just like any other blog, it's a free blogger blog, nothing special. It's got articles and hyperlinks and images. There are dozens of these blogs for free. But the difference is if I click on one of these images, it's going to drive me to InkMart. And when it does, it's also going to attach me as the visitor to the account. So I'll click on this and we'll see what happens. I clicked on the link and it drove me to InkMart. Now if I'm the visitor and I buy, this person up here in the URL, as you can see, it says the affiliate sales demo is going to get the credit for that sale. And more importantly, I now show up in Sales Demo's book of account. In this case, this would be your name or your sign-in. It would be special to you. And so when a customer visits, they get attached to you and show up in your book of accounts. Now the reason we do this is simple. We are not in the business to try to be an e-commerce website. In fact, Amazon has proven that people buy through Amazon and very, very seldomly go back to the same vendor. So our business model is to empower you to gain customers, make it easy for the customers to order, and allow you then to follow up with the customer so that you can give them that personalized customer service. Most of us are very comfortable now ordering online. In fact, the trend is going more and more to ordering online. And we have statistical data about that, but most of you know or have ordered online. So if we just stated the model of being an e-commerce site, we would gain business, but the real money is in developing the relationship and having the customer order multiple times. And to do that, we want you to engage with those customers. We want them to become your customers. And we will just help facilitate the ordering process, give you the tools to make it easy for you to build a business as big as you want. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the administration section for a second and show you some of the tools and features that are there and available to you. When you log into the administration section, this is what it looks like. You'll have direct access to a bunch of sales and marketing materials, training materials, print materials, giveaway materials, all for free in the back end back here. I can select my customers, and if I have 100 customers or 1,000 customers, I can easily filter. We have a bunch of tools that you would expect from a major e-commerce site, from running financial reports on specific customers to running financial reports on campaigns that you do. Or if you have a sales team, you can run financial reports on individual sales members. But if I logged into my administration section and selected my customers, I could select the quick order form for that customer that we were just looking at just as easy as they can. And here is their sales department. And I could change the quantity order, add the items to the shopping cart, check out for them just as easy as they can. So in less than a minute, I can order for my customers. Also importantly is that you can change the reference names or the department names or locations just as easy as it can be done on the front end of the website. The other important feature is that you can adjust the pricing. Every item you can adjust the pricing to fit the client or the market conditions. So you can increase your profit margins or decrease the profit margins on different orders as you see fit. Also within your administration section, we have a giant library of marketing and support tools for you. Everything from ad slicks and coupon banners to presentation materials for different industries. This happens to be for churches. This happens to be for schools. We have different items that are for different print specific industries or print reliant industries. For example, medical clinics or CPA offices. We have a library of stuff that you have access to. And all of this stuff is editable and customizable for you so that the customer knows who to contact if they have questions and who to contact when they want to reorder. The customer can reorder by themselves and you not even be involved in the transaction. If they use a snap order icon, they can very easily just order and reorder every single time. When that happens, you'll receive an email and the report will show up in your sales report. Or if you're doing normal routine follow-up, you're going to follow up with your customers once a month to make sure that their fulfillment is being taken care of, and you can order just as easy for them. Within the administration section, we have a great number of tools on how to use the software. In this particular case, this is how to use the CRM tool. Videos on just about every feature of the system, so you can watch them over and over again, or have your sales team watch them. You have access to all of those marketing materials. You have access to a whole library of sales and support materials and industry-specific knowledge that you might need to know. All of this is available to you all the time through your administration section. Now, realistically, we could spend probably 5 hours talking about all the tools and features that are available for you back here. But the idea of this video is to show you some of the features, some of the tools, the depth that's available for you when you get started. So I hope you've enjoyed this tour. If you'd like to learn more, please contact us at careers@inkmart.com and we'll be happy to give you a personalized tour. Thanks for watching.